We're doing another vlog style today. I don't know these people that's in the background. Those are like illegal immigrants. I'm getting ready to fix up my backyard, and this backyard, I really don't know why the dimension of the backyard, but this is the setup for right now. I want to show you a quick haul of some of the things that I going to be putting back here. The first thing is this carpet right here, and actually I don't know if I'll take it back to the store and get a different color, because I have 3 different colors of these. This one here, I purchased it from Ollie's store, and it was I think $29.99 for 8 by, can't remember the 8 by what. I think a 8, oh, I can't remember. The tag is not on it. I took it off. Then I bought this green grassy looking artificial thingy, and this one is 12 by 12 for $55. I'm gonna need, actually gonna need 2. I'm going out now, and I'm going out now to look for a sofa set for outdoors. And let me do the quick haul with you. This is a table cover that I got from Ollie's. This is vinyl. And one second, I plan to go back to the store and get the, I think it's a 12 by 15 or 15 by 15, a larger one. This one was $55, and the 15 by 15 is like $60. The measurement of this way is 12 foot long, and this stand at like 15. This is like 12 by 12, and I'm gonna go get the 15, I think 15 by 15, and do the other side of it. This is what I wanted to show you. This is the outdoor indoor rug that I purchased, and this one is a 9 by 12. And last year I bought this one last year, and this one is a 9 by 12. This one I'm going to use it upstairs, and the black one I'm going to use it downstairs because it'll have more traffic down here. The kids seem to like down here. I also bought these chair covers, and actually this was $39.99. Where it is? $39.99 from Ollie's store. And this one here is $5.99, also from Ollie's. And I think I have 2 of these. I also, for in a whole ton of sun, I live in the forest. Like the deck, when we had the storm, the front part of the deck, look, it still needs to get fixed. And for what I want to do, the structure of it all is good, but what I want to do, like right here, I want to hang curtains. I want to separate the backyard. So this is the rest of the backyard over here, and it's like pretty. This place is big. Okay, that's all I gotta say. So I have to try to section it off. And there's the baker's rack down here, and let me put this here together. You see the squatters? They're right here. So I moved the furniture that was here. These people, they act like Christopher Columbus. They don't want to move. So what I'm gonna do, I asked them to put their feet up. So what I'm going to do is just wash the area down, just fill the bucket of water. I do have a pressure washer. Actually, one of my neighbors threw this out and it works. So I'm gonna use the bucket and wash here down, let it dry, and then I'm gonna show you guys how we transform the backyard. So I am finished with the washing of I will say not really half of the deck, but I'm finished with the area that I'm going to set up for now. And what my plan is to do, well, eventually we're going to build this whole area back, so this will be like a covered porch. But for now, we're going to work with the umbrellas. Right here, I want to add some curtains to this right here to kind of section off the area. And this is what everything is looking like. I use the bucket to send like a flood of water, but then eventually I use the pressure washer to get the rest of it, because the pressure washer kind of pushed the dirt around. So let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to allow it to dry, and then later on when the sun goes down, I am going to address the curtains and lay the carpet down. So I cleaned it all up and it is shiny and pretty. I picked up these things from on the other side, so I'm going to put that back. And what I'm going to do now is lay the carpet out that I showed you earlier. So let me go ahead and try to lay it out and see what's up. So guys, it's late now and I finally going to lay the carpet, turf, whatever it is out. It's my first time actually using this thing. And cameraman, can you show them? It's my first time. And like I said, I paid $55. Is a 12 by 12. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it open and then lay it out so you can see it. So guys, as you see, I laid out and this is how it looked. I'm doing all of this at night and the lighting back here is poor. I hope to improve on everything, but cameraman, go in and show. Okay, you can stop it now. So guys, I went back and I purchased another one because I wanted to cover like a large area. And in this one, I know I should have gotten 215 by 15. But this one, the first one was what? I can't remember the measurement. A 12 by 12. And this one is a 12 by 15 and I paid $69 for it. So let me go ahead and add this one here and we're gonna see what it looks like. He did not make a girl pose.
You see my pajama pants? And we matching, same.
So I am finished laying the other one, and like I said, anybody who see my videos, they're squatters. Look at this. Let me tell y'all, this one right here, he think he cute. This one right here. This little ugly one, he think he cute. So I am finished. You see a whole bunch of kids in this video. So I think that's how I'm going to leave this for now. And then
Your mom.
William just.
I am not finished. I had to cut off the video last night because these kids were farming a fool, acting up. So this is how everything is looking. I'm going to give you a view of where I put the rest of the furniture. And actually, I had to go back and buy another of the grass, another one. So I have two 12 by 15. And the other side over there, so I will say if this is 12 by 2 15 by 15, so the other side, it's about a little bit bigger than this side here, plus it's also wrap around by where the stairs are. So these are all of the furniture. I went ahead also and I purchased outdoor set. Let me show it to you. So I bought this set here from Brohill, and I think this one is the sofa. This one here is the love seat, and the other one is the two single chairs. So I'm gonna do like a reveal on them and show you guys. Yeah, this one's here, 3-seat sofa, and show you guys and tell you what I think about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. In my next video, I will be showing you the furniture and finally putting this together. So let's do it. Oh, as you see down here, haven't been fixed yet. We had to be put on the back burner. So let's do it. So please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching.